guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sana. You are watching Sana Tech YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to fix iPhone camera focus not working after 80.2 update. Without wasting any time, let's start this video. Solution number 1. Restart your iPhone. Sometimes a simple restart can resolve the issue. Press the volume up button, press the volume down button and press the power button. When you see Apple logo appears on screen, and release the power button and wait 5 to 10 seconds and starting your iPhone and problem is fixed. If solution number 1 is not working, now applying this solution number 2. Solution number 2 is clean the camera lens. Dirt, dust or fingerprints on the camera lens can affect focus. Clean the lens with a soft cloth and try again and problem is fixed. If solution number 2 is not working, now applying this solution number 3. Solution number 3 is check for software update. Ensure your iPhone is running the latest software. Go to Setting app, tap on General, tap on Software Update. You can see if update is pending, download and install the update and problem is fixed. If solution number 3 is not working, now applying this solution number 4. Solution number 4 is reset camera settings. Go to Setting app, tap on camera and toggle off and then on the reset camera setting option and problem is fixed. If solution number 4 is not working, now applying this solution number 5. Solution number 5 is disable and enable HDR. Go to Setting app, tap on camera and toggle off and then on the HDR option and problem is fixed. If solution number 5 is not working, now applying this solution number 6. Solution number 6 is check for physical damage. Inspect your iPhone's camera lens for any physical damage such as cracks or scratches and problem is fixed. If all solutions are not working on your iPhone, simply contact support.apple.com and fix your problem. How to fix iPhone camera focus not working after 80.2 update successfully. That's it. If the video helpful to you, please don't forget to share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.